Okay, this kid goes up to his father and says, Dad, I have a question. A dishwasher washes dishes, right? And the dad said, yeah, that's correct. Dishwasher washes dishes. And a bus driver drives buses, right? And the dad said, yes, yes, a bus driver drives buses. Okay, a weightlifter lifts weights, right? Yes, that's very good. A weightlifter lifts weights. So, Dad, what does a shoplifter do? Does he lift shops? I don't get that one. That's kind of funny. That's the joy of English. And the second one is one of my favorites. I have a different version. What do ants take when they are sick? What do ants take when they are sick? My students should know this one. Well, they take antibiotics. Oh, here's one. When I'm sick, I never take antibiotics. Never. I take uncle biotics. Not auntie, but an uncle. Oh, jokes of the day. Give them a like. And again, they're using present simple in the structures because we're talking about things that are always true and that happen routine. And these questions with do, does, don't, and doesn't. So this is a joke of the day, day 2 of the present simple tense. Hope you enjoy that. Like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.